morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Bacha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Avantika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arushi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Khyati.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Ara. Children, it is a combined class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. I'll take 2 minutes to take. Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, if it's combined class, so what we will do?
We are over with the chapter.
Question answers are left. Good morning, ma'am.
So question answers, good morning. Question answers we are not going to do. We are going to play extract based questions. I'll ask you questions from a particular extract. You need to answer, right?
That means a quiz from... Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A quiz sort of thing. OTBA, open textbook assessment.
Ma'am, history only, na? History first.
History chapter 1. History chapter 1. Right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Yes, book, you have to open your book also. Keep your books with you.
And we can open our camera also.
And cameras as well.
Ma'am, may I come after 5 minutes?
Yes, yes. What happened, Aradhya?
Ma'am, I'm asking for 5 minutes of leave.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, we have to answer on school group.
Yes. In the school group, you have to answer.
We can simply raise hand.
But that will take a lot of time. You know the answer, you simply write, and I'll tell one of you to answer over here, right?
Ma'am, means not all have to answer. You will ask.
Yes, but all have to post it in the class group.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay.
और पानी दे दे पानी पी लेता हूँ फिर तो सबसे उधर धुलाई हुई है ये लेना
But before we start, I need to take your attendance, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta Harshit.
Good morning.
Good morning, Saksham.
वो जल्दी कुछ कर यार
Okay, Aradhe is present.
सही
Ahana is there.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay, Arush. Abhishri. Anokhi.
चलो कोई भी का तो आ जाने दे
बेटा आदर्श म्यूट करो अपने आप को बच्चे. Okay. Then Anshika Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Anokhi Roy. Today Anokhi is not there in the class. Okay, fine. Anshika Yadav is there. Anvesha,
Present, ma'am.
Arihant,
Present, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav,
Present, ma'am.
Aruchi, Asjad, Aryan, Atharv Verma, Avantika, then
Present, ma'am.
Ayushi Nimesh, Bhavya Khandelwal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Bhavya Khandelwal. Is Bhavya there in the class? Gurleen? Not there. Harshit Oberoi?
Present, ma'am.
Then Himanshu Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Ishi Agarwal?
Present, ma'am.
Arav Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Divyansh?
Present, ma'am.
Kartikeya Saxena? Kavya Tripathi?
Present, ma'am.
Yati?
Present, ma'am.
Then Kinjal?
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Kumar? Krishna Kumar is not there. Mihika? Porush Daksh?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Porush present. Ma'am,
Prach-
present.
Mihika is present. Prachi?
Ma'am, Porush is also present.
Yes. Prachi Gangwar? Pradyuman?
Present, ma'am.
And Prakhar is also present. Prashasti?
Present, ma'am.
Purvi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Saksham Sharma? Samriddhi
Present,
is
ma'am.
not there. Samriddhi is not
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Krishna?
Ma'am, you didn't call my name.
Of course, I called your name, beta.
Ma'am, did you mark my presence?
Aryan Gangwar present, ma'am. I was joined late. I'm only 2 minutes.
Okay, no issues, no issues. Samriddhi
Ma'am,
is
Vyom
not
Sharma present.
Vyom. बेटा व्योम का भी नाम नहीं आया बच्चे वेट
Okay, ma'am.
समृद्धि शुक्ला इज नॉट देयर शगुन मित्तल इज देयर शांभवी तिवारी शशांक डू वी हैव शशांक इन द क्लास नो देन शिवांश पाल इज देयर
Shagun present.
Yes, ma'am, present.
शगुन मित्तल प्रेजेंट ओके व्हाट अबाउट सिद्धि मित्तल
Present, ma'am.
ओके श्रेया
Excuse-
प्रेजेंट यस
Ma'am, Arushi, I'm present. I couldn't hear my name earlier.
Present.
Yes, beta. Shivansh is present. Shrey Gupta is not there.
Ma'am,
Shreya is. Do we have Taran in the class? No. Utkarsh? No. Molly?
Present, ma'am.
Vyom Saxena? Vyom Sharma?
I'm present.
Okay. Whose name I have not taken?
Ma'am, Krishna.
बेटा taken बच्चे कृष्णा का बहुत पहले ले लिया था हमने.
Ma'am, Arushi, I'm present. I couldn't hear my name earlier.
Marked you present.
Ma'am, I
Prachi.
was not there.
Ma'am,
While-
Divyank. Beta C section attendance. I am taking first. Prachi, I have taken your name, but you did not respond. Okay, Prachi Gangwar is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now B section.
Ma'am, Aradhe, ma'am, I was not there.
Radhe is present. Yes. B section. Adarsh Kashyap. Abhinath.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav is not there. Akshat Sharma. Ankur Gangwar.
Ma'am, Akshay Sharma present.
Akshat Sharma present. ठीक है. Arush Pratap. Aryan Bharadwaj. Ashish Yadav. Bushra. Divyank Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Divyanka Verma, Divyansh Jain, Diya Gangwar, Ishan, Jaskirat, Jatin, Karthik Gangwar.
present.
Ishan is present. Okay, very good. Then Lavish, Madhav, Manjot, Mustabaullah, Prachi Sharma, Pradyunsh, Priyansh Agarwal.
Present, ma'am. Prachi Sharma.
Prachi
Ma'am,
present.
Pratnush present.
Okay, Purvashi, Rakshit Solanki, Rishabh Gangwar, Rohan Rastogi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Rakshit is present. Very good. Where is 9th we gone? Okay. Then Sanidhya,
Present, ma'am.
Shaurya Saxena, Shreya Singh, Shrey Shivankar, Ursula, Yuvraj, Vanshaj, B section, name any name that I have left.
Ma'am, Adarsh Kashyap.
Others, you were the first one whose name I took first. Okay, fine. Ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In.
Ma'am,
Yes.
geography or history?
Beta, history, extract based questions we will do,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So you need to open page number 16. Reign of Terror. Yes?
Ma'am, that you will ask objective types, no? Ma'am, means
Yes,
one
beta,
word or one
completely
line.
objective. Completely objective.
Okay, ma'am.
One word answers. You need to post your answers on the class group, right?
Ma'am, page number, which page number?
Page is 16.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to do in a rough copy.
No. Don't do it
Ma'am,
in.
so can you please wait for 1 minute?
Yes, I am waiting.
You have to not do it in copy, but
Beta,
send the answer.
I need both the sections, A and C, B and C answering the questions, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
So,
Shall we
ma'am,
start?
we have to write those questions in our pair copy.
No, you need to write. Acha, Aryan has joined the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was out of station for
Please.
some days.
हाँ, आप लोग अपने प्लीज अटेंडेंस बताओ क्योंकि इस अटेंडेंस को का बहुत सारा बेसिस होगा. So you need to ensure that you are marked present in the class.
Ma'am, I've told you. Ma'am, I've told you earlier.
Okay. Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Full name Aryan Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
You are of B section, no?
No, ma'am, C.
But your name is written. Your name is not there.
Ma'am, he is Aryan Bhadwaj in B section. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan Gangwar.
Ma'am, which page?
Taran is also present.
Ma'am, I have joined just now.
No, it's okay, no issues. Atharva has also joined. Page number 16, paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Fine. You need to post your answers on the group, and I will ask one person from the Zoom meeting to answer the question, right? So this question will be answered by Molly. I will not tell you whether it is correct or
Excuse
not.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Saksham. Yes, Saksham. बोलो बेटा. सक्षम बोलो बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to make a double side rule notebook, right? For history.
For history, both side ruled. Both side ruled.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. चलो, shall I start?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Your first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, Molly will answer this question, and your question is, which time period is referred as the Reign of Terror? Molly. Molly.
Ma'am,
Wish-
17. Ma'am,
Huh?
1793 to 1794.
Very good. Okay. Who followed a policy of severe control and punishment? Rakshit Solanki. Who followed a policy of severe control and punishment under Reign of Terror? Rakshit Solanki.
Ma'am, we have to note down these questions in the notebook, no?
No, you just have to, you can underline from where I am telling you, and later on you can write these as questions.
Ma'am, we are sending the answers on group also.
Very good. I can see.
I'm Robespierre.
Rakshit, you are not answering. Are you there or not? बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए केवल 2 बच्चों ने आंसर भेजा है. व्हाट इज दिस? आई वांट ऑल दोज हु आर देयर इन द मीटिंग टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन 9th week. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have answered.
Prachi Gangwar. Who followed a policy of severe control and punishment under Reign of Terror?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Pradyunsh.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer to this question?
Ma'am, Robespierre.
Very good. Next question is
Maximilian Robespierre.
Maximilian Robespierre.
Yes, ma'am.
What is, sorry, you have to give one name to the term that I am stating over here. A device consisting of 2 poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. You all need to write the answer there on the group.
Read the question.
Question is, a device consisting of 2 poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. You have to give a single name to this statement.
Ma'am, you taught us in last class.
You need to answer the question.
Ma'am, answered.
Ma'am,
Answer?
may I give on the chat, ma'am, because my
Yes.
WhatsApp is not working properly.
Okay, fine. You can give on the chat. Good. You need to check your spellings as well, beta.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I don't have my chat mobile number in that group. So, ma'am, can I also give in the chat, ma'am, of Zoom meeting?
Okay, give, no issues.
Thank
Fine.
you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, and I also have a doubt that Louis 16 was killed. Ma'am, but how he was killed? Ma'am, गला काटा था क्या?
He was guillotined. जो डिवाइस अभी हमने जिसके बारे में बोला है, उसको पब्लिकली एग्जीक्यूट किया गया था वहीं पे.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. Who invented guillotine? Who invented guillotine?
Ma'am, Dr. Guillotine.
Ma'am, answered.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, will E come in Dr. Guillotine?
Yes, of course, E will come. Sorry, E will not come, sorry. In the device, it will be there, but in the name, it will not be there. Your next question is, under Robespierre's government, what was put under maximum ceiling? Under Robespierre government, what was put on maximum ceiling?
Ma'am, given.
Okay, very good.
I'm giving the answer.
Ma'am, given the answer.
Very good.
Given the answer.
Very good. Very good. Divyang Mishra, write it in the, only 2 students are going to answer the questions in the chat box. Rest all will be doing it in the group, please. Divyang?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी सच्चा
Ma'am, this sentence meaning is that, ma'am, is this right? Ma'am, during the Robespierre rule, ma'am, wages and price were very much.
Wait, just let me check. What have you written?
Ma'am, I have to understand the meaning of this sentence.
वो कह रहा है कि सबसे ज्यादा सीलिंग का मतलब क्या होता है?
Ma'am, top.
हाँ, कह रहा है कि सबसे ज्यादा जो है सीलिंग मतलब कंट्रोल किस पे रखा गया था? वो कंट्रोल रखा गया था आपका वेजेस और प्राइजेस के ऊपर, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सीलिंग का मतलब होता है कंट्रोल, ठीक है?
मैम बट
हाँ,
मैम बट वो तो मैम पॉलिटिकल राइट्स पे रखा गया था।
क्या?
मैम मतलब मैम पॉलिटिकल राइट्स पे भी काफी था मैम।
अरे मेरी बात नहीं समझे। कह रहा है कि हाई प्राइजेस जो होते हैं, हाई प्राइजेस,
यस मैम।
वो ये कह रहा है कि सीलिंग जो सबसे ज्यादा हाई प्राइजेस जिन पे थे वो थे आपका
ब्रेड
वेजेस और प्राइजेस के ऊपर, ठीक है? जो सीलिंग जो लगाया गया था, जो कंट्रोल लगाया गया था, वो वेजेस और प्राइजेस के ऊपर देखा गया था, उसको चेक करा गया था, ठीक है?
ओके।
हाँ, अब क्लियर है?
And ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am, on page number 22, there is a figure. Ma'am, who is this fat man? Movie 16.
22 पे बेटा ये उसने हमने आपको बताया था, ये मॉकरी टाइप में था कि भाई हर किसी को हर कुछ करने का अधिकार था, होता है ना रेवोल्यूशनरी पीरियड में, कि भाई जस्टिस के लिए, हाँ, जस्टिस वाज अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन। तो उसमें ये सिर्फ एक पिक्टोरियल वो दिखा रहे हैं कि भाई हर कोई, जो लोग पतले हैं उनका अपना तरीका था टू टेक थिंग्स, और जो लोग मोटे थे वो पतला होना चाह रहे थे, तो वो अपने तरीके से पतला होना चाह रहे थे, ठीक है? पेट्रियोटिक फैट रिड्यूसिंग प्रेस। चलिए, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what were the citizens of France required to eat during the reign of terror? Answered?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am answered.
बेटा बेटा they were only required to eat the equality bread, not the meat, only the equality bread, okay? Right, class? हाँ, it was equality bread, not bread and meat, okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
in which year Robespierre was convicted by court? In which year Robespierre was convicted by court? Okay, very good. That's it. बेटा बी सेक्शन में जितनी स्ट्रेंथ क्लास में है उस हिसाब से यहाँ पे आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे हैं. Why is it so?
Ma'am, because I am giving in Zoom that.
No, only one is giving. No. What about others? There are many in the class. More than 15 were there.
Ma'am, they just dummy joined.
Yes,
Ma'am, they
ma'am.
do not care what is
Thank you.
going on. Ma'am, they do not care about the reputation of 9B.
सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. Okay, what were shut down and converted into offices or barracks? What were shut down and converted into barracks or offices? Very good, Prachi. Okay, very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, given the answer.
I have checked, I have seen. Now the question is from the whole page of 16, from anywhere, okay? Who was executed publicly in the year 1793? Who was executed publicly in the year 1793?
Ma'am, given.
Okay.
Ma'am, given.
Ma'am, given.
Very good. Seen.
Ma'am,
Ji beta, you.
ma'am, if that Louis 16 is the answer, ma'am, if it comes in test and we write after Louis, we write it in 1-6.
No, that will
So,
be
ma'am,
wrong. That will be
yes,
wrong.
ma'am.
Somebody has written, I didn't see the name, but that is wrong. You need to write in Roman numbers only.
Ma'am, Roman numerals, ma'am.
In the
Only
Roman numerals only, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Saksham, पूछो बच्चा.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of duke?
बेटा ये जो ड्यूक और ड्यूकेसेस थे ये क्या थे जो आपके हाँ
मैम किंग.
हाँ ये किंग होते थे बट जैसे क्या होता था कि एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया जो जो इनके कंट्रोल में होता था ये उनको दे दिया. जो डच लोग होते थे ना वहां पे ये ड्यूक्स वगैरह हुआ करते थे. ठीक है. एक तरीके से ये राजा ही हाँ ये राजा ही हुआ करते थे बट अलग अलग जगहों पे इनको अलग अलग नाम से बुलाते थे. कहीं पे किंग तो कहीं पे क्यू कहीं पे ड्यूक कहीं पे डचेस. ठीक है. ड्यूकेस. ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. Now come to page number 14.
Ma'am, this form of addressing the king and queen is there in United Kingdom.
ये यहाँ पे भी है फ्रांस में भी है.
Ma'am, Monsieur is there.
हाँ Monsieur sir, Madame is madam.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए come to page number 14.
Ma'am, आ गए.
ठीक है. You need to tell what is the national anthem of France. What is?
Ma'am, Marseillaise.
हाँ. Marseillaise is the national anthem of France, but you need to write it in the group, okay? And Sanidhya, yes, very good. Beta, only Marseillaise. Saksham? La Marseillaise is people of France. ठीक है. ला हम यूज करते हैं फॉर एड्रेसिंग पीपल collectively.
Ma'am, la means the.
हाँ. ला मीन्स द बट
Yes.
हम ये जो हम जब ये हम इसमें यूज करते हैं तब हम सिटीजन्स और उसके लिए यूज करते हैं जैसे ला सिटियन ला इटालियन. ठीक है.
Yes.
Your next question is, who were the members of Jacobean Club? Who were the members of Jacobean Club?
Less prosperous people.
Who were the members? तो आपको you need to specify all those members. You have got 3-4 names given over here, no?
Ma'am, that shopkeepers, ma'am, pastry. That
Yes, pastry cooks. Yes. Very
Ma'am,
good.
but
Huh?
ma'am, the answer is shopkeepers, artisans, servants, or shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers. printers.
All. See, they included small shopkeepers, artisans. Artisans में shoemakers हो गया, pastry cooks हो गया, watchmakers हो गया, printers हो गया. Then servants.
Given.
ठीक है. हाँ.
Yes.
Ma'am, etc.
Done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it
daily
is
wage
given on
workers.
which page number?
Beta, page number 14. Fine. Now coming to next question. Who was the leader of Jacobians?
मैम मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबिस्पियर.
Okay, Maximilian Robespierre. Very good.
And do we have to write the full name?
हाँ बेटा, इसमें जब पूछा जाएगा कि who was the leader of Jacobians, then you need to specify the full name.
Okay.
Wherever individual name is asked, you need to write the full name. What was the other names of the Jacobians?
Sans-Culotte.
Saint-Clotus. Okay. Saint-Clotus. हाँ. In which year National Assembly voted to declare war against Prussia and Austria? In which year the National Assembly voted?
Ma'am, April 1792.
In April
92.
Yes, April 1792. Very good. Very good. Next is, from where did the Jacobians got their name? From where did the Jacobians got their name?
And we have to tell that they were
In the former convent of Saint Jacob in Paris.
Yes. Yes, this is the correct answer. Large sections of the population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further. Why? Why the large sections of the population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further? Anybody for this answer?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because the constitution on 1791 gave political rights only to the richer sections.
Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of society.
Beta, the answer should be to fight for the political rights. Why, right?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
You need to say that to Hanji.
Ma'am, on page number 11, ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Please ask. Pucho beta.
Ma'am, on page number 11, ma'am, this picture that is given, ma'am, what it is?
जीन पॉल मैरेट का जो फोटो दिया हुआ है उसकी पूछ रहे हैं आप? सोर्स बी?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, figure 8, ma'am.
Figure 8, Declaration of Right of Men and Citizen painted by the artist. ये जो दो फिगर्स बने हुए हैं बेटा, ये जो है पर्सोनिफिकेशन था फ्रांस को जो था, फ्रांस एज अ कंट्री जो है उसका पर्सोनिफिकेशन किया गया. पर्सोनिफिकेशन में दो विमेन वो बनाए गए हैं और ये विंग्ड एक विमेन है जो कि लॉ को वो बताती है कि भाई द लॉ जो है इक्वली प्रिवेल करेगा, और दूसरी जो विमेन है उसके वो जो है आपके उसके हाथ में वो है ब्रोकन चेन्स है, मतलब फ्रीडम. लॉ अगर किसी भी कंट्री में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होता है या लॉ होता है तो उसका मतलब ये होता है कि जो सिटीजन्स हैं दे आर गिवन सर्टेन राइट्स. ये जो पॉलिटिकल सिंबल्स है देखो इसमें दिया हुआ है ना, ब्लू व्हाइट रेड द नेशनल कलर्स ऑफ फ्रांस. अच्छा, इसमें कलर
yes,
तो ये नेशनल फ्लैग को
Woman color is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, color is there. Ma'am, the one who is holding.
हाँ बेटा, मेरे बुक में बहुत फेंट है शायद इसलिए मुझे समझ में नहीं, वो मतलब कलर मुझे नजर नहीं आया. ठीक है.
And ma'am, on page number 9, ma'am, there is a map of
France.
Ma'am, France. Ma'am,
The
will
spread
this
of the
come?
great fear. The spread of the great fear.
Yes, ma'am, will this come?
Of course, I told you to do. I have given you some places, no? Bordeaux, Nantes, then Marseilles. I think 4 places I gave you to mark.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Paris
please.
also.
And Paris also, yes. Paris also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, where we have to mark these on map?
On the map of France, in the map skill that you have, you are given a map of France. In that practice map, you need to mark it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Only these 4
Okay,
places.
ma'am.
Nothing else. Only 4 places.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, that ma'am can also come in exam.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, what
Yes.
are the 4 places? Ma'am, Paris, Bordeaux, Marseilles, and
Nantes. My next question is, who composed the national anthem of France? Who composed the national anthem of France?
ma'am, Roger Delisle.
Huh. Roger D. Lisle.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, बच्चा पूछो.
Ma'am, why in French Revolution the criminals are beheaded?
But that was the way of punishing them so that others don't follow their footsteps. जैसे आप देखो सऊदी अरेबिया वगैरह में कुछ कंट्रीज ऐसी हैं जहाँ पे लॉज बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हैं, तो वहां पे अगेंस्ट सर्टेन लॉज जो है पब्लिकली लोगों को पनिश किया जाता है सो दैट अदर्स आल्सो टेक इट एज अ लेसन इन फ्यूचर दे शुड नॉट रिपीट द सेम मिस्टेक्स. Like the ones who violate the law, they are publicly punished. So this was done, like it was a practice in France during those times, so that people don't do the same thing. They don't repeat the same thing. They have some respect for the laws which are there or the practices which
Ma'am,
are
but they can hang the person. Hanging to death is a more dignified way of
वो बात
punishing a person.
वो बात सही है, वो बात सही है. बट फिर हर देखो ऐसा होता है ना, हर रूल में, हर कंट्री में उनके अपने लॉज होते हैं, अपना तरीका होता है ऑफ पनिशिंग पीपल. जैसे हमारे कंट्री में हम बहुत हार्श पनिशमेंट्स नहीं देते हैं. अगर आप देखो हमारे लॉ में बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्श पनिशमेंट जो है वो बहुत ही रेयर लोगों को मिलती है. अगर आपने देखा हो तो लॉ में जितनी आज तक जितनी भी हमने पनिशमेंट सुनी है, डेथ सेंटेंस तो सबसे लास्ट वाला वर्डिक्ट होता है. पर डेथ सेंटेंस के अलावा एक लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट होता है, ठीक है. बट उसके अलावा कोई बहुत, आपने ये नहीं देखा होगा किसी के हाथ कटवा दिए, किसी की उंगलियां कटवा दी, ऐसा कुछ कभी आपने पढ़ा है कि इंडियन लॉ में इस तरीके का कुछ है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं है. बट देयर आर
No, ma'am.
कंट्रीज जहाँ पे इस तरीके के लॉ जो है वो प्रिवेल करते हैं कि अगर आपने जैसे देयर इज वन कंट्री जहाँ पे कि अगर आप ईव टीजिंग पे में इन्वॉल्व हो या अगर आपने फिजिकली किसी लड़की को हरास करा है तो आपकी उंगलियां काट दी जाएंगी हाथ की. हाँ जी बेटा, सक्षम कर सकते हो. उंगलियां काट दी जाती हैं अगर कोई फिजिकली हरास करता है, या ईव टीजिंग होती है जिसमें कि आप जो है खराब कमेंट्स पास करते हो ऑन गर्ल्स, तो उसमें जो है कई एट टाइम्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ऑफेंस का परसेंटेज कि कितना ज्यादा किस तरीके से, तो उसमें भी अलग अलग तरीके की पनिशमेंट्स होती हैं. तो देयर आर कंट्रीज वेयर दीज लॉज आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट. वो पब्लिकली मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑफेंसेस है जिनके लिए हमारे कंट्री में जिसमें केसेस चलते हैं जिसमें कि हेयरिंग पे हेयरिंग होती है, बट वहां पे उन कंट्रीज में